up, you guys? It's Asia, and today I'm going to be using the As I Am Long and Luxe collection to create this hairstyle. This is in collaboration with Sally Beauty, so everything is in the description box. The first thing that I'm going to be using is this Grow Wash. I washed my hair with it, and this is what my hair looks like. Nice and soft and fluffy. This product is very nice at distributing throughout your hair, and it left my hair so detangled. I absolutely loved it. I followed that up with the Grow Yogurt, and this is a leave-in conditioner. I loved how smoothly this flows through my hair. Honestly, every time I added a product with this collection, my hair just started feeling better and better, which is crazy because it was already popping to start off with. But as you can see, my curls clump with this product and it just felt amazing. I then added the double buttercream, which is not a part of this line, but this is also able to be used as a standalone styler, but I'm going to be using it just to add additional moisture. I had no idea that this was more like a custard. I put that on my hair and then I just made sure that all the strands are saturated, and this is what it was looking like. Girl, catch that volume, okay? I was like, I could walk outside like this and slay, but I'm not about to. I'm going to actually braid the side of my hair. For this hairstyle, I parted off 1/3 of my hair and then I went ahead and braided that down. I got 5 braids going down towards my ear. I'm actually going to be parting another braid going straight to the back. This will be a thin braid. I'm going to take some smoothing gel. This is my new fave, girl. This gel right here, you'll see why. But I'm going to put that on the roots of my braids, and then I went ahead and used it to braid up this final braid as well. So once I had that done, I'm going to begin to add that gel, girl, and do this twist out. Now, catch these curls, okay? I have 4C hair, but of course, throughout my head, there's a variety of textures. Look at that elongation. Like, that's so crazy. So I went ahead and I just smoothed that throughout my hair. And every time I smoothed it through my hair, my curls just clumped together so well. I just felt like I could wear a wash and go, which I would never do, but I felt like my hair was ready to be in a wash and go. Then once I had all of my twists done, nice and smoothed down, I braided down the braid on the corner of my head and I added in some hemp cord. This hemp cord, I used a crochet hook to put into my hair. And I just am trying to go for a little tribal inspired look. I love adding hemp cord and, you know, jewels and accessories and stuff like that. So I just had fun with it. So then I added in some of the braid jewelry, and this is the final look. So then once my hair was 100% dry, I went ahead and took it down. Look at the shine. So the gel is amazing. I love how the shine is there. The gel doesn't cause flaking. However, I think in combination with the double buttercream, it's not that good of a mix, but it does look amazing. I definitely would just use it on its own, you know, use either the double buttercream or the gel. But as you can see, my hair is very, very moisturized, very shiny. Like, that shine is there, girl. And then on top of that, the curls is popping. So this is definitely a bomb twist out. So now I'm going to go ahead and separate some more. I really like big hair. This is cute, don't get me wrong, but I really wanted a bigger fro. So I'm going to go ahead and take these down as much as possible, trying not to cause too much frizz. You can add oil to your hands, that will really help. I didn't really feel like doing that, girl. I just took it apart and my hair is very moisturized, so I didn't have much snagging. Once I've gotten that taken down, I just took a comb and I picked out the roots. Can't have your parts showing, girl. Can't have your parts showing. And then I took the Grow Edges, which is a really nice edge control, so I love this a lot. It definitely held everything down and it did not cake up. So this is the finished look, girl. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll catch you in my next video.